This is the story of our transition.
What? What? Mr. Shadid.
Yes, sir.
Question.
What's your question?
How am I supposed to derive the quadratic formula from the thing with the x's in it?
The thing with the X's in it, you don't know what that's called?
No.
Mike, that's called standard form. If you're not able to derive the standard form and put it into the quadratic formula, you're not going to pass my test next week.
Look, see, I need to pass that test. I don't get it.
First, you have to put the constant over. I'm done with you. Well, you have to get your stuff done in a week, okay? You have 1 week to pass the test.
What the heck?
Feeling really good. Come in! Mr. Jordan, hello.
Hello, Mr. Shati.
How are you?
I'm finding yourself.
Very good. Well, we're here to talk about your son.
Mike.
Yes. Take a seat.
Okay.
Well, your son Mike is struggling in his academics.
Is he really?
Yes.
Which class would this be?
Honors Algebra 2 to be exact.
Gotcha. I hate algebra too.
Yeah, I didn't like it myself.
But you're the how could you be the teacher and not like the subject that you teach?
Well, growing up as a kid, I struggled with studying and I didn't really have a good study plan. But as soon as, I started learning how to study, things just got better for me.
Well, would you happen to have any strategies, or do you think that we should just wait and see like a week or so and see if he makes any improvements on his own?
Yes, I think that'll be the perfect thing. If, he makes improvements on his own, he'll feel stronger instead of me forcing him to, do his work and telling him exactly what to do.
So, you want me to come back in about a week?
Yes, we'll come back in about a week. We'll see how he's doing from then. Okay? All right. Thank you, Mr. Jordan. Nice seeing you.
Thank you, Mr. Shati.
Oh, man. I really do not get this. Quadratic formula? Standard form? What the heck is it? Negative b over 2a?
Yeah. When I was younger, I had a really great struggle. Math was the conqueror and I was math subject. Learning how to factor was very difficult. Deriving formulas on many diverse intervals. Completing the square wasn't fair and I still struggled. I hated writing functions and I hated writing models. I strived to do better but the pressure was beating on me. So I took up my pencil paper and started to study. I learned study habits real fast and was getting ready. I had to sling, back was struck and started falling. I understood my concepts and my thoughts started flowing. I couldn't wait for challenges to start going. I got my confidence real big and started running. At that point, writing functions wasn't challenging nothing. I got my swagger back and I was on a mission. Man, I thank God for my transition. Yeah. I thank God for my transition. Yeah. I thank God for my transition. I thank God for my transition.
He needs some transition in, but I can't make him begin. Maybe he needs a math camp, maybe he needs tutoring, and now I'm praying as I wait his results. Section 4 is such a hard lesson, maybe he needs a new approach. The quadratic function was missing, so I filed a report. And as he digs a little deeper, he tends to mess up one part. I had dreams he finally cut off, but then woke up in a start. Why is it so daggum hard to complete a square like he did in art? Not too many options unless he just learned it all wrong. Sitting in my chair, I'm gonna make 0 equal y. He really likes having fun and having a little change, but I know he'll make a change. Math is priceless subject, that's for sure to get you paid, and I know he'll make that change. Math was never my thing, and I know he'll make his own change. I just know he'll make a change. Thank you for his transition. I'm really happy he made a transition. Just pray he make a transition. I'm really glad he made that transition.
I told Mr. S I didn't get the question. He mentioned dividing, he's teaching me a little lesson. I had nothing against him, I just didn't get it. But every student has a problem with not getting the message. I'm tired, teacher, my eyes wider than a tide, teacher. I already spent a minute on fantasy, and it's killing me mentally. I gotta work hard. Listen to what these teachers is telling me about the legitimate discriminant. Finding X with letters like A, B, C. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Hey, Mr. Shadeed, I think I got it. Quadratic equations, I'm writing them and graphing them. Finding that vertex, the first step to mastering them. And ready for the test, my next mission. And you gon' love me for this transition. And if I really think about it, I'm not sure, but if I think about it a lot, like if I really ponder on it, I might be wrong, but I think I'm right. Mr. Shadeed?
Yeah, you're right. Did a good job, son. Did a real good job.
Thanks. Because I'm the tallest, nigga. So what happened, Dex?
Well, my part is I was the teacher, right?
Yeah?
And,
What was your name?
my name was Mr. Shateed.
Mm-hmm.
And I, Mr. Shateed, was a little frustrated with a student that I know was capable of doing work, but he just wasn't really pushing himself. I had to, think, and I pondered about my previous life because I was just like that kid. I was just like Michael Jordan. I was just like him. I was very lazy, and I didn't, really push myself until I finally was on the brink, about to fail, and I finally put in the extra effort, and yeah.
As Dexter said, I was that student who didn't do his work. Call me Kershaw. Nah, I'm playing. I was just not doing my work. Go ahead. What were you?
Oh, I was the father who had faith that his son could possibly be better than what he was showing, and I showed that faith by allowing him that week to see if he was capable of making up his grades and doing better, and he showed me that he could. He's a good kid.
And you're fat.
Don't let me for my transition.
Oh, math game.
Stop, man.
What's wrong, Dex? What's wrong, man?
Kevin. Stop.
My name's not Kevin.
This makes no sense. Oh my god, I don't get it. I don't get it. Hey, Mr. Sadid,
Yes, sir.
how am I supposed to derive the quadratic formula from this thing?
That thing.
Yeah.
You don't know what that thing is? Come in! Hello, Mr. Jordan.
Hello, Mr. Shadid.
How are you?
I'm fine, and yourself?
Well, we're here to talk about your son.
Oh, Mike.
Yes. Take a seat.
Okay, thank you.
On there, buddy? Okay. Well, your son Mike has been struggling in his academics.
Any particular class?
Honors Algebra 2 to be exact.
Oh, yeah, I hated that.
Oh, yeah, I struggled with it myself.
You're the teacher, right?
Yeah, I'm a teacher,
Holy
but
shit.
you know, I had a minor transition from being, you know, bad in the subject, and I worked hard and strive for excellence. Hey! All right, let's start over. Come in. Oh, Mr. Jordan. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Shadid.
How are you? I'm fine. And you?
I'm pretty good.